Hi guys, welcome back to the video. I'm gonna be in this video because I get good film other one. So that should be like your separate video, I guess. But just hope that I go over half to then I got second hand. So yeah, I'll show you them. So let's open them. I was going to keep on some cocoa, so I know it's quite good. So the first one I got. They're both by Albert, but the first one I got is a logo. The songs I know on this album are When I Kissed a Keisha, Dancing King, No Me No Yeah, Money Money Money, and probably the songs I know on this album. And then I got some messages on the back which take too. And then there's the covers like open it. I get come on this in this energy, so I'll probably just keep picking that. But yeah, let's open it. Okay. So it's in this quick paper one, but I know like see open it, yeah. It's here, but it's a big lip, so that's probably why I can pick it knock. But I've kicked probably like on my wall. Or put like in there, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get back. And then it's just sunk the box, but I'll just go get it in a safe. I'm gonna take open, take the sheet, the congestion again, so give me a minute. Okay. And then the last one I have in comes up Fennel, it's for the blue. I want to shake or shake, I don't know. I just want to see. So the next one has for the blue, I have a game, Angel Eyes, Cause Your Mother No, and Kirkika. There's some of the iconic songs by them. And then I'll read the NSC, just like that, and then some and then I'm going to be the same as most of them. But yeah, okay, I'll see you guys later when I'm more film, yeah. Hi, so it might be over a month or something since I filmed the Fox Big Life video. But I got to see Geese Gentleman. Like, I want to show so I can finish this video and post like. So yeah. Okay. So the first one I got also is I don't know what I can show in that, so there may be parts where I may need to cover. I think the cover should be fine, but yeah. So I have Hard Congate by Madonna. No, obviously that doesn't have big album back to one gig all the parts, and guys, the Connect album is not that bad. Save the concert play 4 minutes. Melts Away. I don't want to kill any number. But Erika Magula is like argument how of it kind of and go forget kind of look at the console like. So yeah. But that's just the front and then obviously that's the back and that's the like of the album. So yeah. And then inside the sticky is kind of like a stick. Or can't get with the back of it. No, you can really get kind of socks back. It's fun for Hawkins. It's not like they want to make it because I'm called them and they won't be listening to that Hawkins book anyway. But anyway, so we have the book. So yeah. And then the last key I have to show you is this video is going to be Kylie Minogue. This is uppercut K. So my favorite song on here is All the Lovers Get Out of My Way. My son uppercut K. And Becky Lumpy Gay, I do like Becky Lumpy Gay. Those are the ones I remember, but again, I remember the next album when I listened to it a couple of months ago when I helped my Kylie Minogue keep off. This is the second CD I have by her. Because I also have Fever and also on Venom I have her second album. And Go Yourself, that I'll go second hand somebody kind of got past gone, I don't know. But yeah. Okay, so this is the back, the front, and the side. Then this is the CD. This one's not as bad as Madonna. And then so the book, you guys have the shock of Kelly. And yeah, you guys have the cake and her, the soggy notes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys get some go. So yeah. I just posted another video a couple of days ago of my top songs on Spotify, and also I'm hoping to have other folk like video of like a more like game live kind of video, and that will be all whenever, because I'm gonna put it from again on Sunday, and that'll be my second channel. So yeah, my second channel is more maybe longer videos, so like stuff that's not really doing music or CDs, so that can maybe be like, I don't know, going to different places, or like get my life, my modern life routine, and I might sometimes I might start posting some gaming videos. So just in a way that I want that's more not YouTube, like music videos. Anyway, okay, bye. Go get your like and subscribe, or go hit the bell button to get notified next time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.